To identify the description of the risk, I simply select the text, and see what semantic tags we have. I take this property, this tag, and assign it to the marked text. Same goes with probability. I'm marking this number here. Select the tag, probability, and now this data is stored and assigned to the article. And the same goes with the mitigation plan. And so on and so on. So in order to save that, I click here on Save and Exit. And the data has been formalized in this article. You see that here in the fact box. So while all team members are entering the risks and tagging them semantically, the project manager starts processing the tag data. To do so, we return to the task and open it in edit mode and create a query. So we go to the rich text editor, place the cursor in the text, and click on the query symbol. And now we start assembling the query. So what we know is that we want to query risks. Therefore, I select category risk and edit. Now let's see what properties we have for risks. We have the description. We have the mitigation. And let's take the damage. And you see we have here a result preview which shows in a table the result of the query. We have here the name of the risks, the description of all the risks which have been entered by the team, the mitigation plans and the damages. We can now decide which layout we want to have and which result printer we want to have for that particular query. Now let's take a Google Pi. And we take this, because this is quite informative for the team. I click on Save, and the query is embedded in the article. So if I save the article, then the team has always feedback of the risk inventory they're collecting step by step. You can, of course, embed multiple queries in different formats. For example, as a table. Now assuming that your team has collected articles in the wiki and has formalized data sitting in the articles by using the intelligent semantic tagging mechanism, you want to reuse that data in a personal productivity tool like, for example, MS Excel. So for this, we have developed an MS Excel bridge which interconnects your MS Excel client with your MediaWiki SMW Plus installation, and after installing the MS Excel client you have a button in MS Excel, and launching it, clicking it launches the MS Excel client, which you see here, and this client allows you to create queries against your wiki, to save these queries and to load it and to manage it. And what I will do here, I will create a query to query the wiki for data which is associated with risks. Here we have the query, and I execute it to see what the team has entered into the wiki. And here I get a preview. Here we see the name of the risk, a description of the risk, a mitigation, and some numbers. And easily click on copy to Excel cell to take it over into your Excel client for reusing it and to make a nice project management report for your management. And of course we can save that and close the client and close MS Excel. Before finishing this webinar, let me briefly tell you about some key features of SMW Plus. The software comes with a graphical installer for Windows XP to allow you a quick deployment of SMW Plus for your team or your department within a couple of minutes. SMW Plus includes all software needed for a head start. It comes with a data model and a web-based GUI for immediate access for a team from anywhere. Apart from that, SMW Plus has full content management system functionality, like a rich text editor, media upload, and forms for controlled data entry. It comes with an easy semantic tagging system, and it has a graphical query builder to generate tables, lists, or diagrams from semantic tags. It has easy-to-use tools for changing the data model on the fly by your team or by the administrator, and also for reusing data in Semantic MediaWiki Plus or in personal productivity tools. We have a suite of features. One is the MS Excel bridge for including data into worksheets, which is not included in SMW Plus. You need to purchase that separately. But SMW Plus comes with a web service connector framework to allow you to tap data which you already have in your corporate environment. And finally, we have software for connecting SMW Plus with a reasoning engine, namely a basic reasoning engine based on Jena, and an enterprise-level reasoning engine which is based on Enterprise's standard product named OntoBroker Professional. How can you benefit from SMW Plus then? How to purchase it? If you're already using MediaWiki or SMW Plus, you can simply upgrade to SMW Plus by downloading the Halo extension for free from SourceForge. If you want to give SMW Plus a try, then simply go to this URL, smwdemo.enterprise.com, and try it out. No registration needed. You want to deploy SMW Plus for your team within 5 minutes, then go to our web shop and purchase it for 199 euros. Apart from that, Enterprise, of course, offers standard support contracts, consulting, data migration, custom programming services for you. Simply contact us. If you want to learn more about SMW Plus, then go to our product homepage on wiki.enterprise.com or get involved with us and with the hundreds of users of SMW Plus in our user forum. And of course, you can get your copy instantaneously from our web shop. So thank you very much for your attention.